liesnot2k, that's with the number 2, at gmail.com. liesnot2k@gmail.com. Today I'm working on a 01 W210 Mercedes E430. I got a AC leak somewhere. I charged the system and it depleted again. Today I'm going to put in some stop leak with dye, AC stop leak and detector, and I'm going to charge it. I don't know the exact weight. I have to translate it. It's I guess a metric measurement. But what you can do if you have high and low gauges, you want to get around 30 pounds on your low side and double the ambient temperature. So it's about 90 degrees today. So I'll do 180 plus 50. So double your ambient temperature plus 50 for your high side. If you're way above 30 or way below it, there's a problem with the system. All right, now on a Mercedes, it's very hard. The low side is located right here on the right hand side. There's your low side right here. Then your high side is right here. It's the right top hand side of the condenser on the driver's side. It's hidden behind this little cover. You got to pop this cover off. I suggest you get yourself one of these. It keeps you from breaking interior panels and stuff. I got a set of these tools, come in very handy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open my leak detector. I'm going to crack my line, let some of the air come out because I don't want to contaminate the system with air. Then I'm going to put my stop leak in, and then I'm going to throw another can or so of R134A in here. I eventually want to convert all of my 134A systems over to that dust off, that air in a can. That doesn't damage the environment, and I'm told it runs colder and it is more efficient and not destructive to the environment. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up, and then I'll get back to you. I'll post part 2. Take care, everybody. Feel free to comment. Please like and subscribe. Trying to make my channel grow. And I just bought my GoPro today, so the video should be getting better. Thank you. Hope I can be helpful with some information for you guys. Bye-bye.